How to remotely sign out from a Facebook account. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here, as you can see, I am on my Facebook account on my phone. So if you want to log out from another phone, you just have to know your password and your number or email, of course. Log in on a phone or on a laptop, and then from there you will be able to remotely log out from another device. So let's show you how to do it. First, we want to click on those three lines from the right top corner next to your Messenger app. So here you want to scroll again down and go to settings and privacy, and from here go again on settings. So here you want to go to password and security, the second option. Okay, so here, as you can see, I am logged in Samsung Galaxy S10 right now. So if I want to log out from this device, you just have to click on those three dots from the right of the device, or you can click on see all. And if you click on see all, here you will see on what devices you have been logged in, or on what devices you are logged in right in this moment. So like I said, click on those three dots from the right of the device that you want to log out, and from here just click on log out. And if you are afraid that someone else is logged into your account, you can click on secure account, and this way you will be able to reset your password and you will be safe. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.